Artistic Recipes Kitchen Style.
The anticipation is over. We are here.
Hello, and thanks for cooking with Making Artistic Recipes Kitchen Style. For today's cooking segment, today we're going to be making a pot roast in our power cooker. It's fast, it's efficient, and I tell you what, it's delicious. So go ahead and get your ingredients ready from the description box below, and let's start cooking. Okay, so today we're going to start off by injecting our roast with some Cajun injector. It's the Creole garlic flavor. Okay, so now that it's injected, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add my dry rub. Now, I'm only gonna add half of this, and then I'm gonna add the other half when I get ready to put it in the power cooker. And this is my seasoning and herbs. Okay, so now that we have injected our roast and we have seasoned it on all sides, we're going to go ahead and we are going to brown it in our 3 tablespoons of butter. Okay, so now we're ready for the power cooker. Okay, so I have buttered the bottom of my power cooker. I am adding 1/2 cup of water. I'm going to add 2 bouillon cubes. We're going to add our roast. I'm going to add the remainder of my seasoning and herbs. I'm going to go ahead and put the lid on. And I'm going to set it for 1 hour. I'm going to check it and then I'm going to set it for 40 more minutes. And then we're going to add our carrots and potatoes and onions. run our pot roast in our power cooker for about an hour and 40 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add our potatoes and carrots. Let's get started. Okay, so now our roast is fork tender. We've cooked it for an hour and 40 minutes. I'm gonna add my potatoes, carrots, and onions. I've also heated up 1 cup of water, and I'm gonna put 1 pack of brown gravy mix. I'm gonna mix that up. And I'm gonna add this to the roast. We're gonna put the top back on and we're going to cook this for another 20 minutes and then it'll be ready. Boy, this looks delicious. You sure can't beat it. Pot roast in 2 hours or less. And I tell you what, this power cooker is perfect for working families. It'll cut your cooking time in half. This roast came out delicious, savory, and fork tender. You have got to try this recipe at home. Thanks for cooking with Making Artistic Recipes Kitchen Style. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks. Bye.